Why high-quality content is essential for your home and gardening business. Since the pandemic, home and gardening businesses have seen a surge in popularity. People are spending more time at home and are looking for ways to improve their living space. If you are part of this industry, it's important to understand why having high-quality content is essential to your success. Content is one of the most important aspects of any business, but it's especially essential for businesses in the home and gardening industry. In this video, we'll discuss 10 reasons for creating high-quality content for our home and gardening business. Who doesn't love a well-written article or a helpful video? People will keep coming back if your content is engaging and informative. It is especially essential for businesses in the home and gardening industry because there is always something new to learn. Whether it's tips for caring for your plants or the latest trends in home decor, your audience will appreciate quality content that is continuously updated. Social media is a powerful tool that can help you reach a wider audience. But if your content is lackluster, you won't get the engagement you're targeting. On the other hand, your high-quality content will not just be shared around, but will get to attract new followers and help you build your social media presence. The more relevant content people see, the more likely they will become your customers. Think about it this way: would you rather have 100 followers interested in what you have to say or 1,000 followers who couldn't care less? The home and gardening industry thrives on informative content. After all, people are looking for advice on how to improve their homes and gardens. If you can be trustworthy in providing this information, your audience will be more likely to do business with you. On the other hand, if your content is full of errors or is inaccurate, people will quickly lose trust in your company. You want to be the expert that people can rely on, not the one they avoid. People are more likely to contact you for business if you have high-quality content. They will see you as an expert in your field and trust you can provide the services they need. In addition, quality content will also help you attract better leads. It is because people interested in your content are more likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Originality goes a long way. If you can create truly unique content, people will take notice. And when people notice, they are more likely to convert into customers. It is because originality shows that you are creative and willing to go the extra mile to provide value to your audience. It also shows that you are not afraid to be different, which can be an attractive quality. Furthermore, people can often remember something they have already read or seen. So if you can make your content stand out, it will be more likely to stick in people's minds. SEO is a powerful tool that can help you attract new customers. And one of the best ways to improve your SEO is by creating high-quality content. Search engines favor websites that have informative and well-written content. In addition, quality content will also help you attract backlinks, which are another essential factor in SEO. When people see that your website has quality content, they will be more likely to link to it, which will help improve your search engine ranking. You will show up higher in search results, and more people will be able to find your website. Don't do anything that would make you seem misinformed or unknowledgeable about your industry. It will only make people doubt your expertise. Instead, focus on creating quality content that will show people you know what you're talking about. People will see you as an authority in your field if you provide valuable information. You will end up gaining the trust of your audience, and they will be more likely to do business with you. Your brand is like your company's identity. It's what makes you unique and different from your competitors. And one of the best ways to build brand awareness is by creating quality content. This content can help you promote your brand in a variety of ways. For example, you can use it to create social media posts, blog articles, or even infographics. Promoting your content can help you reach a wider audience and build brand awareness. Your fans are the reason you're in business. They are the ones who support you and help you grow. And one of the best ways to cultivate loyalty is by creating quality content. If you can provide your fans with valuable information, they will likely stick with you. They will also be more likely to tell their friends about you and recommend your business to others. Don't underestimate the power of quality content. It can save you a lot of money on your marketing strategy because you won't have to spend as much on paid advertising. Quality content will help you attract organic traffic, which is free. In addition, it will also help you build relationships with your audience. These relationships can lead to word-of-mouth marketing, which is also free. Quality content is essential to marketing strategy and can save you a lot of money in the long run. It will do most of the heavy work for you. There are so many reasons why high-quality content is essential for your home and gardening business. These are just a few of the most important ones. If you want to succeed, you need to create quality content. There is no better way to ensure you are providing value to your audience and growing your business than by hiring someone to produce quality content for you. Paperword can help you with all your content needs. Our platform connects you with high-quality writers who can produce the content you need to succeed. Get in touch with us today to learn more about how we can help you take your business to the next level.